Hey there and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a wishlist feature to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. If you're tired of your customers not having a way to save their products, so this one is for you. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to your Shopify login admin panel. Like you have to go to your Shopify store dashboard. Then you have to go to the app store. From the dashboard here you can see this add apps, tap on it. From there you will be redirected to the app store, and from there you have to tap onto this option called Shopify app store. So after clicking on Shopify app store, you have to search for wishlist in the mini search bar here. You can see this. From there you have to choose this option called SWYM wishlist plus, because this one is great, like works really great. So then you have to tap onto the install. Then after the installation, the app will guide you through steps. Choose the button style and colors to match your Shopify store themes design. Click next and continue through the setup process. Okay, then you have to launch the wishlist on your store. Choose the theme you are using in case Dawn. Then you have to tap onto click finish setup, and here you can see there are free and starter package. You can see that the free packages profits and the starter packages benefits. Okay, and that's your, and make sure to toggle on wishlist plus connect collections and new wishlist button. This will activate the wishlist across your catalog and product page. Okay, so as you can see now my add to wishlist option is available. So follow the steps perfectly to do it. You have now successfully added a wishlist to your Shopify store using the Dawn theme. This make it easier for your customers to save items they love and come back to buy them later. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.